Hi everyone, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, I am unboxing our last Boujee box. After our previous video I cancelled, and they did send me the final box that I was charged for, and I don't think it's going to change my mind. There's almost nothing in there. I don't know why they charge you shipping if they do this. It's ridiculous. They could have kept it. They could have saved $1 or $5. I doubt whether this was worth it. Oh, that's the other thing that I just realized. When we subscribed, they said that shipping is free, yet when you pay extra for shipping. And this is shipping from this company to my shipper, and then I still pay from my shipping agency to me. I don't mind paying Planet Express to send me my things, but when I subscribe to a box and they actually state that it's for free shipping, I expect freaking free shipping, not to be charged extra. So that's the tea. That is my rant and rave and everything else. I just think this is redonkulous, and I'm freaking happy thus far I cancelled. So let's see. Got it upside down. Let's start. So this is our final Boujee box. Blikskottel. Well, the first thing that fell out was Botanical Garden Aroma Body Mist. It is fresh and light scent, uplifts your spirits and brings you joy. Well, it looks quite full. I'm already annoyed. I don't know. I think I'm just plain annoyed because of the shipping. But it smells nice. I'll use it in the room for freshener or something. But anyhow, here we go. Ta-da! So what did we receive in our final box? The lightest of them all. We received an open powder puff. Well, I like these. I am quite afraid that they might have been used or something because it's open. I just don't like open boxing. But anyways, we got 2 little small ones. I don't know if you can focus on those. Yeah. And then we have this nice, I like this. I like the shape of these. They just squishy like hair, and they put your foundation on perfectly. The little nubbit on top, it actually gets into your little corners. These are perfect for under the eyes. I think I got one last month, a little yellow one. I think it was in Macy's, and I didn't know what the hell to do with it. And thank goodness for Google. And yeah, now I actually do know how to use it and what to do. See, it actually closes. So someone left it open and packed it, or I don't know. Let's not conspiracy theories by Shane Dawson. Just putting it out there. Okay. So then we have a bag from TPO. Quite a huge bag. What does it say? Let's escape. I must say, I like the color. I do. I like the color. I won't keep it though, but I do like it. It's huge inside, with its pocket, and yeah, and it does close. Well, everything smells of the room freshener. What does it call itself again? The body mist. Everything smells of the body mist. And we found its lid. Ta-da! Yeah. Then we have nail lacquer, or Q-Tex as we know it, in a blue. by She Makeup. It looks very sheer. Oh, waff. So She Makeup nail lacquer in the color Pearl Teal. I guess that's why it looks sheer, because you have to build on a pearl color. Let's see. Last, not least, I guess, we got, it says only She Makeup. Sounds as if something's in there. Let's go and have a look-see. I like the matte tin. I really do. So let's see what we got. Ooh, it's brushes. Ta-da! I do love brushes. I don't know. Yeah, just don't disappoint. At least just not today. Do not disappoint. Oh no. I don't know if you can see. Does it focus? I can't see if it focuses on the hair. Do you see the hair? There. So the hair is no problem. It's just if it looks like that, let me just put the light back on, otherwise you might not be able to focus on me again. But if it looks like that, with that little hair out, let's just snip it already. It means that it's not that good quality. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm not going to give it away either. I'm touching it anyways. But it's not a good quality, I'll say. It's synthetic. Okay, the fluff is everywhere. I'll most likely use most of these just to take off excess powder. All of them do it. But it's cute. I hope these are only like sample brushes. Do you think? Maybe just the travel ones that were knocked together quite fast. Another hair. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. There we go. I guess you can wash them and then just hope that the extra goes out, and then yeah. Let's see. I'm going to be honest. Let's not knock this product. Let's test. Let's see. It's yeah. I think this could have maybe put them back on the map. Not sure. What is puzzling me though is we never got a list of everything that's supposed to be in the Boujee Box. That is puzzling. At almost 40 US, receiving a great big huge bag. I can't see that we got a listing. Huge bag. Thank you. Number one. Then we got the Q-Tex. Oh, where's it now? The powder puffs. 3/4 bottles of body mist. And brushes. I don't know. I think I'm grateful that I cancelled when I did. Happy about the brushes though. I always love brushes. I love my bronzers and brushes. So yeah, love them. Or I'll try them. I can't say I love them, but I'll try them. Thank you. I think I'm grateful I cancelled. Yeah. I don't think I'll resubscribe. What do you think? What's your... So yes, that concludes our unboxing of the, I guess this was February or start of March, I'm not sure, as we didn't get anything indicating what on earth this was for, but there's our final unboxing of our final Boujee box. Won't be subscribing again. Let me know what you think. Do you think we made a mistake? Should I maybe just give them one more try? I'm very skeptical, so let me know what's your input about this one. Thank you for watching my video. Just give it a thumbs up and see you on the next one. Bye!